Dear students, today let us work out the problems on Euler's coefficient of association. So Euler's coefficient of association is Q is equal to bracket AB into bracket alpha beta minus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B whole divided by bracket AB into bracket alpha beta plus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B. So on the basis of Q value, we are going to interpret the association between the two attributes. If Q is a positive value, we say that there is positive association between the two attributes. If Q is a negative value, we say that there is negative association between the two attributes. If Q is equal to plus 1, we say that there is perfect positive association between the two attributes. If Q is equal to minus 1, we say that there is perfect negative association between the two attributes. If Q is equal to 0, we say that there is no association between the two attributes. Now let us work out some problems. Now, example number 1. In a co-educational institution, out of 200 students, 150 were boys. In an examination, 160 students were passed, 10 girls had failed. Is there any association between sex and sexes in the examination? In a co-educational institution means both boys and girls are studying in that institution. Out of 200 students, so in that institution 200 students were studying. Out of 200 students, 150 were boys. Out of 200 students, so boys are 150. So the number of girls will be, what is the strength of the girls? So 200 minus 150, that is equal to 50. So 150 boys and 50 girls are studying in that institution. In an examination, 160 students were passed. So out of 200 students, 160 students passed. So failed is equal to 200 minus 160, that is equal to 40. 10 girls had failed. So 160 passed, 40 failed. Out of 40, 10 are girls. 10 girls are failed. So failed boys is equal to 40 minus 10, 30. Is there any association between sex and sexes in the examination? And comment. So using Euler's coefficient of association, this formula, we have to calculate, we have to identify any type of association between the two attributes. Firstly, we have to identify the attributes given. Which are the attributes given in this problem? Sex and sexes. So sex and sexes or result. So in sex we have two categories, boys, girls. In result or success we have two categories, passed, failed. So if A denote boys, alpha denotes girls. If B denote passed students, beta denotes failed students. So let A denote boys, alpha denote girls, B denote passed, beta denotes failed. Now let us construct 2 by 2 contingency table. So So along the column, let us take sex. Along the row, let us take success or result. In sex, we have two categories: A, alpha, then total. In result, we have two categories: B, beta, total. Now, let us identify the data in terms of the notations. In a co-education institution, out of 200 students, so total number of students is equal to 200 means capital N is equal to 200. 150 were boys, so boys 150. So that is bracket A. In an examination, 160 students passed. So passed students 160, that is bracket B. 10 girls had failed. So failed girls. So boys, girls, alpha is the girls. This beta is the pass and B is the pass and beta is the failed. So failed girls means alpha beta. Alpha beta, bracket alpha beta is equal to 10. So this is the data given. Now the remaining data, the missed data is to be identified. So 200 minus 160, that is 40. 200 minus 150 is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. 160 minus 40 is 120. 150 minus 120 is 30. Now, their notations: 40, this is bracket beta. 50, this is bracket alpha. 120, this is bracket AB. Alpha, 40, this is bracket alpha B. 30, bracket A beta. Now the formula: Q. Q is equal to bracket AB into bracket alpha beta minus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B whole divided by bracket AB into bracket alpha beta plus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B. Now substitution. Bracket AB into bracket alpha beta means 120 into 10. 120 into 10 minus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B means 30 into 40 whole divided by 120 into 10 minus 30 into 40. So this is equal to 1200 minus 1200 divided by 1200 plus 1200. This is equal to 0 divided by 2400, that is equal to 0. So Q value is 0. So we can comment like this: there is no association between sex and success in the examination. So this problem is of 5 marks. So for the construction of the table, 2 marks, formula 1 mark, answer 1 mark, and comment 1 mark. Now let me go to the second example. Example number 2. Following are the survey results of literate persons and employment at a village. Find Euler's coefficient of association and interpret. Total adults 5000, literates 645, unemployed 695, literate unemployed 410. So firstly, we shall identify the attributes given in the problem. So here the two attributes are literacy and employment. In literacy, we have two categories: literates, illiterates. In employment, we have two categories: employed, unemployed. If A denote literates, then alpha denote illiterates. If B denote employed, then beta denote unemployed. So let A denote literates, alpha denote illiterates, B denote employed, beta denote unemployed. Now let us construct 2 by 2 contingency table. Along the column, let us take literacy. Along the row, let us take employment. In literacy, we have 2 columns, A, alpha, total. 3 columns, A, alpha, total. In employment, we have 3 rows, B, beta, total. Now let us substitute the values in the table. Total adults is equal to 5000 means N is equal to 5000. Literates is equal to 645. So literates means A, 645. Unemployed is equal to 695. Unemployed is beta, 695. Literate, unemployed. So this is literate, this is unemployed. So A beta, 410. So this is N, this is bracket A, this is bracket beta, this is A beta. Now let us find the remaining values. 5000 minus 695. 5000 minus 695 is equal to 4305. 4305 is bracket B. Then 5000 minus 645. 5000 minus 645 is equal to 4355. 4355, this is bracket alpha. Then 695 minus 410. 695 minus 410 is equal to 285. 285, this is bracket alpha beta. 645 minus 410. 645 minus 410 is equal to 235. This is bracket AB. 4305 minus 235. 4305 minus 235 is equal to 4070. 4070, this is alpha B. Now the formula Q is equal to, Euler's coefficient of Q is equal to bracket AB into bracket alpha beta minus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B whole divided by bracket AB into bracket alpha beta plus bracket A beta into bracket alpha B. This is equal to 235 into 285 minus 410 into 4070 divided by 235 into 285 plus 410 into 4070. This is equal to 235 into 285. 235 into 285 is equal to 66975 minus 410 into 4070 is equal to 1668700 divided by 66975 plus 1668700. So this is equal to 66975 minus 1668700 is equal to minus 1601725 divided by 66975 plus 1668700 is equal to 1735675. This is equal to minus 1601725 divided by 1735675 is equal to minus 0.9228. This is the answer. So the comment is like this: there is negative association between literacy and employment. Let us work out some more problems in the next class. Thank you.